What's up, everybody? Welcome to Blessed Ratchet Garage. As you see, we got a shit ton of snow. I gotta go to the gas station though, and like, I got to the car, did the path, you know, all that. I go and I looked on the driveway, and this is deceiving. There's another like 4-foot mountain of snow. We're gonna see if that can go through that. That was easy.
This week's product feature.
All right, guys, welcome to today's little segment of product feature. Featured product, we'll call it. Featured product of the day. It's not daily that we put these videos out, but you guys get what I'm saying. So last time we had the world's smallest walkie-talkies, and those were an epic disappointment. I'll put a little thumbnail of it here. Yep, that was from the little first video sneak peek of the new segment that we're going to be offering in the programming that we bring to you guys for free. And if you haven't thought about subscribing, think about it. It's free, it doesn't cost a cent, and it makes me happy, and I can keep putting out good, happy videos for you, the people. Fred, sit down. All right. Now, today we have something pretty sweet. It might help us in our lawn, you know. It might help, you know, buddy who's got a coke addiction, you know, clean off his desk or anything. So today we have the world's smallest blower. You know, that blower I could have called a leaf blower or something, but it's just blower. Okay, we left the tag on this one. This one was $9.99 at L&M. This is not sponsoring the show. We are not sponsored. I probably will never go sponsored. I ain't no sellout. Boo. All right, anyway, so we're gonna cut this open very carefully, and let's take a look at what it looks like. GoPro, stop recording. Or we'll just keep rolling. That's fine. That's fine. So we'll just ever so carefully cut it out. Alright, what do you guys use to cut your packages open? I use a razor blade. So we got that cut open fairly nicely all the way around. We are opening the world's smallest blower, guys. This is epic. I'm excited. Hopefully this works better. It already feels like better quality than those little walkie-talkies were. So this requires a power bank and a cord. Darn, I forgot the cord. I thought it came with a cord. I'm gonna have to go run and get a cord, guys, and I will be right back. All right, guys, we are back. What I have here should be a product featuring amongst itself. Have you ever heard of a four-way, guys? Well, this may look like a three-way. It's actually a four-way charger. This is so you can charge like everything. So we got our Zippo pocket warmer slash power bank thingy. Hopefully it works. We'll find out, guys. Let's see here. Well, this is Type C. We need this right here. Geez, which one is it? All right, guys, we are hooked up. Let's clean our space here, okay? All right, let's clean our space. With the power bank's hooked up, got power. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing? This was supposed to be... This was supposed to be, well, guys, I think we have another disappointment. I don't think the button works. Let's see if this will charge our phone. If this will charge our phone, it should run that. Let's see. This toy just junk. The toy is just junk, guys. Wow. Wow. That is just ridiculous. Let's just try again, just for the hell of it. Plugged in all the way. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing, guys. Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. Let's see if we can find some batteries for this to see if we can give it a test. And if not, we might just have to chalk this product feature up as another disappointment from the world's smallest company. I think that's what company is. There's not one thing. Oh, yeah, let's see. Westminster company. You're dropping the frickin' ball, man, for these product features so far. Hopefully we don't get any more, otherwise we're gonna have disappointments on deck all day. GoPro, stop recording! Alright guys, so we couldn't find batteries, but we found a different power cord. You see that? That makes a difference, guys. I wish it was longer. I'm gonna be standing here like in shackled. But anyway. Whoa! It's got some power to it. No, not really. Let's see, can it blow these leaves? I mean, it could thoroughly blow leaves away. If I was sitting here eating chips and stuff and I had like crumbs all up on me and shit in my beard or stuff, you know, imagine that being a big old chunk of cookie. It just... Is it working, guys? I mean, I guess it kind of works. It makes some air. I can think of one thing that I could do with this to make it cool. Probably get demonetized eventually, but we could put a bowl on here. And I'm gonna end there. But anyway, yeah guys, that works. Now it would only work if I put batteries inside the thing. It didn't matter if they were dead or not, you know. It's they don't make this thing easy to take apart, you know. These are okay. You just pretty much boop, put it in and hold it down. Bam. Okay, cheap. Let's see. Will it work without the batteries in it? Let's find out, because we're gonna need these on further installments of product feature. Well, alright, I guess you don't need... Wow, she's got some blow to it. Ready, guys? That was terrible. You saw that? Whoa! Okay, that's not working. This paper. Paper. Anyway, it works. You don't need batteries for it. That's pretty cool. It's a little bit better than the mini walkie-talkies by the same company. I don't know if you guys had seen that episode, but we did one about the world's smallest walkie-talkies. It was an epic failure. So anyway, this is the world's smallest leaf blower. You know, blow your leaves. You spill Coke on table, blow it away. Grandma will not see it. All right, now back to today's programming. I don't know if I'll leave that in there, guys, but thank you for watching. There is the world's smallest leaf blower. That is the alarm for me to have to go get my son from school. So we're gonna wrap this son up. We're gonna go get son, and like I said, back to today's episode. So these are some of the world's smallest products we're gonna be featuring on some of the other shows. So yeah, keep a lookout for these to be featured on upcoming episodes of Busted Ratchet Garage. GoPro, stop recording. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's little installment of Busted Ratchet Garage. I'll see you next time. A peace.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.